Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple guide on how to allow background data usage on Roblox. This updated method will help you enjoy seamless gameplay without interruptions. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. You can usually find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now it's time to find Roblox in your list of installed applications. You may need to scroll down, but it's usually easy to spot. Once you've found it, tap on Roblox to access its settings. Next, look for the Usage section within the Roblox app settings. Here, you'll see various options related to how the app uses resources on your device. Tap on Mobile Data to view your data settings specifically for Roblox. Finally, to allow background data usage, you'll want to toggle the switch labeled Allow Background Data Usage. Make sure it's turned on. This will enable Roblox to utilize mobile data even when the app isn't actively open, so you won't miss any updates or notifications while you're busy gaming. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed background data usage on Roblox. Enjoy a smoother experience while you immerse yourself in your favorite games.